What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. I told you I was going to show you this winter sowing method, so come with me and check it out. This is a super easy method. As you see, there's a bunch of holes punched in the bottom, and then one on each side, maybe about an inch above the bottom of the container. You're cutting basically more than 3/4 of the way and leaving it attached where the handle is. Okay, so now all I'm going to do is fill that bottom up with the soil, and then go ahead and really saturate this soil mixture. So now, see those holes, just allow that moisture just to drip right on out. And for whatever reason, I stink at growing spinach. So when my friend gave this to me with spinach, I said, ooh, this may be the technique I need to do to be able to actually grow some spinach. To test that theory, that's how we're trying it. There doesn't really need to be any rhyme or reason to how the seeds go in. Because as they grow, you can either just cut out sections, kind of what I was doing, in groups of either 1 or 2, or cut it in half again, so then you'll just have, you know, big wedges, and then you can plant them into your raised bed or your in-ground garden. I will get the top wet, and then I'll tape that up. I think what I'm going to do this time is a smaller piece to get it started. Well, and the great thing with it being the packing tape, you really can't see it. So as I said, this is a pretty neat method. It also works really well if you don't have like a grow light or a grow area set up in your house. You can actually just do this in these milk jugs. You can actually do it right in the bed, as long as you have something clear and plastic to put over top. So this is something not to overlook. I'm definitely, now that I found out about it, but this late, I will be doing some of this next season, and I'll be sure to bring you along so you guys can check it out. Hope this helps everybody out. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments below. I'll be sure to get back to you. Everybody have a great day.